Okay, here we are with the rockets that I printed, and my 3D model is pretty good. The only problem is that you can't print this model small, so whatever you do, print it large. If you print it small, as you can see from this video here, it's going to melt the plastic because it doesn't have enough surface area to cool it down, even if the TiVo has dual fans. So whatever you do, don't print it out small. If you take a look at this other model, which I printed up a lot larger, it's nearly perfect on the bottom. Starting here all the way up to about there, it was perfect. But then from here on forward, it had some issues for that specific reason. Even with dual fans, when it's trying to print something very, very thin, and it doesn't have a lot of time in between the laying down the plastic and then moving to a different area, then it's going to melt the plastic like it did here. It was doing fine up to about this point because it was laying plastic, then going here, then laying plastic, then going here, laying plastic, and so as you can see, then it was absolutely fine because it had so much space to go, and then the plastic had time to cool down. Once it got to here, it was constantly heating the area, and hence the plastic started melting. And I'm actually impressed that it didn't do any layer shifting until it reached this point here. Then of course it didn't have anywhere to go, and so it was just melting plastic on plastic while putting more plastic down, and then it made that mess. So if you want this particular model to work out for you, you need to really make it large. If you look at this, the size of this plate would be the best, so that by the time it gets to this point, it has plenty of room to go.